Greetings and welcome back to a new episode of Saffron and Sypha's channel. Today we will be discussing Ankylosaurids, and we have the Gastonia from Chaos Theory. So we're gonna unbox this. We're gonna check the box right now. Let's go in the back. Alright. So it is a strike attack. Here's the back. We already have the whole set here. This is wave 3, I think. Because the wave 4 will be the Dimorphodon and the Rhizosuchus. Alright guys, so we already did a review for the Monolophosaurus. We haven't done the Dilophosaurus and the Chasmosaurus yet, but we'll see what's next. I will tell you guys later. So it is a tail striking action. It has the symbol of the mountains. They probably live in the Rockies, stuff like that. Alright, so let's open it up. Gastonia. So it doesn't sound like a dinosaur. It sounds like a city. Let me look it up. So it is a city here in America. I guess here in North Carolina it says. But anyways, they must have found it there or discovered it there. Alright, so here's our Gastonia. We're gonna compare to the other Ankylosaurids. So we have here a Sauropelta from Dino Escape. It just swings its shoulders like that for defense from predators. So there you go. Then we have the Borealopelta from Dino Trackers. It is another Ankylosaurid. Here's the DNA scan, or the DNA code. It has spiky back armor. Obviously all of the Ankylosaurids has that. There's a DNA scan for this guy too. Alright, and for the Gastonia, you pull this up. There you go. You want to scan that? Go do it yourself. Then pretty much it's really like a hardcore Ankylosaurid here. I wish it was a little bigger. It has a nice tail. Look at the spikes on that. There's like extra spikes coming out there. None here. Alright. Let's compare to the Sauropelta first. It's almost the same, but the Gastonia has a longer link. The tail's a little longer. Now for the Borealopelta. Of course, the Borealopelta is buffier. It's a little beefier. I mean, there we go. But this guy's like way spikier. It's a nice face over there. So the special feature for this guy is you right here, the two spikes right here, you pinch it, it swings its tail. See, look at how cool that is. Super cool. Huh? This guy didn't have it. No feature for these guys. I guess Mattel didn't think about it yet. It moves the neck right there. Alright. So the next review, Sephiroth has been harassing me about the Giganotosaurus from Hammond Collection. So we'll give him a chance, okay guys? So we'll do that one. So next review will be the Hammond Collection Giganotosaurus. Yeah. So there's plenty of tons to review. My baby Apatosaurus and the Gallimimus from Chaos Theory is on its way. Alright. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Here's the Gastonia. So it's a new variant. I mean a new species from Mattel. It doesn't have a variant yet. Hopefully they'll make a bigger version of this guy. It would be sweet. And a different paint job. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today, guys. I'd like to say thank you again for the non-stop support. Alright guys. Before I say goodbye, don't forget to like and subscribe this video. And yeah, you guys have a great day, yeah? Alright, see you next time. Bye.